Manufacturer of home air freshener, I don't want you to know that your house smells good, is fly and mosquito free, and costs almost nothing. A hotelier taught me this trick, and today I'm going to show you guys. And for this, we're going to need a lemon, and it can be any one you have at home. First, cut the lemon in half like I do, then in one of the lemon halves. Make a small hole right in the middle, then open it a little using your finger. Stay until the end to find out how it works. All right? Let's do this because, in this hole, we are going to put a small piece of candle. Take the candle and cut it to about this size, and then just put it inside the hole. That's it. Now we'll need some cloves. Place the carnations around the lemon, as I do. Cloves, in addition to having a wonderful smell, will also help scare away insects. Now do the same thing with the other half of the lemon. This tip is simply magnificent. After doing it at home, I'm sure you always will. This will replace scented candles and leave your home free from flies, mosquitoes, and any other insects. And it will stay like that. Now, watch out. Because this part is very important, we are going to need these toothpicks. Cut 4 pieces all the same size, then put them in this part of the lemon. Try to make it as straight as possible. That's it. Now just put the other half of the lemon on top. Then just turn it on. Just with this trick, you will scare away all the flies and insects from your house. And do you know what the main thing is? It will leave a wonderful smell in your environment. After learning that I would never use repellent again, I loved this idea. You can place it in the kitchen, living room, bathroom, or anywhere else. Apart from being very useful, it looks really nice and blends in with your surroundings. Do it at home too, I'm sure they will love you. I hope you liked it. Stay with God until the next video.